welcome again to Boom City Breaks. This is Gatsby here with 2016 Gold Rush Football Jersey Edition. This is case number 21, boxes 3 and 4. This was a 2-box break. PYT, pick your teams. Break. Good luck, everybody. Please give our channel a follow at BreakersTV/Boom City Breaks. Please also join our Facebook group under Boom City Breaks and look out for our eBay auctions under Boom City Breaks. Good luck, everybody. Let me get some rippets in the chat. Again, this is for case 21, boxes 3 and 4. Here we go, folks. Sorry, James. Get your pops ready, folks. Here we go. Gonna hear the popping of the seals. Good luck. There we go. Nice one. Got a Rod Woodson, Pittsburgh Steelers, going out to Pun. He was due. He finally got those Steelers. Rod Woodson. Number 26. Kind of nice little scribbly sig there, but a cool Woodson. Definitely do. Thought it was a Le'Veon Bell, but I like this one even better. You got the Rod Woodson, folks. Very nice hit there, Pun. Congratulations, bud. Here's your JSA. All right, there you go, bud. All right, that's box number 1. We got the Rod Woodson. And that's going out to Pun. All right, here comes the next box. Good luck, folks. Gonna hear the popping of the seals. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Hot damn, Pun, you hit it at the right time, son. Troy Aikman going out to the Cowboys. We've got the Troy Aikman and a Rod Woodson. Boom, Pun with a back-to-back. Taking it down, folks. Did it for you, buddy. He's been due, guys. He nailed it. There's your PSA DNA. Pun taking down both hits with a Rod Woodson and the Troy Aikman. Back-to-back hits for Pun. Very sweet auto, very sweet hit there. The Troy Aikman is definitely a boomski, folks. All right, that completes our 2-boxer. Pun with a sweep. Taking out both hits on the 2-box break. Rod Woodson from the Steelers and Troy Aikman from the Dallas Cowboys. Thanks, everybody, for joining. See you next time.